Hello, today we're making a classic, always reliable recipe. It's Portuguese-style cod, which I'm going to make my way. It's super easy and gives you a result you wouldn't expect.
For this recipe, we're going to start by boiling some potatoes, so let's take a pot with hot water, add salt to taste, and put a few potatoes inside until they're well cooked. They can take between 15 and 20 minutes. Once they're soft, take them off the heat and slice them. If they're thick, even better. On the other hand, we're also going to cut into thick slices, 4 or 5 cloves, these ones you see here, and we're going to chop them as well, like this. We're going to cut 2 onions into thick slices so that we can separate them later and brown them a little in the pan. And also, today we're going to do everything together. So pour a good amount of oil into a large pan. We put the garlic cloves in, as well as the onion we just chopped. First, we give it a few stirs so the garlic gets well coated with the oil. Set it over medium or medium-high heat and add the onion. Remember, it's 2 whole onions. We're going to keep stirring it for a few minutes, tossing it from time to time until you see it turns translucent, with a bit of color too, and most importantly, it gets soft. I think it's ready now. Look at how it looks, wow. Now let's move on to assembling it. We place the slices of boiled potatoes around a baking dish that's safe for your oven, which I've preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. That's about 355 Fahrenheit. We drizzle oil over it. Now we place the cod, 4 or 5 fillets. If you want, you can make this same recipe with another type of fish, but with cod, it turns out amazing. If you want to make a larger quantity, you just need to add more, no problem. I like to do it this way, placing the fish in the center. And the trick is to place that onion we just prepared, along with the garlic, right on top of the fish, so it releases its juices and flavor directly onto the fish. Once you have it ready, you put it in the oven. Let me repeat, 200 degrees Celsius, about 395 Fahrenheit, with heat from above and below, and we leave it for about 20 minutes. Depending on the thickness of your fish fillet, it might take a little more or a little less time. Parsley, olives, and enjoy.
Look at that amazing dish, an ideal plate. You can see we have a delicious tray that took very little effort to put together, and it turned out great.
Also,
it's delicious for everyone, and classic fish recipes are always enjoyable. Just look at our plate, so tasty and appetizing.
Delicious. I love it.
Oven-baked dishes, in fact. What's your favorite oven-baked dish? Tell me in the comments.
And tell me,
also,
from where are you watching the video?
This way, we travel the world with fellow food lovers.